Hello friends, welcome to Top Brain. In this video today I am going to show you 15 different dance forms of India. India is a land of the most diverse cultures and tradition in the world. Dance is a series of movements and steps that match the speed and rhythm of music. Classical dances of India, these are performed by very talented, trained and skilled artists. So let's get started to learn about dance forms of India. First dance form Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the oldest classical dance tradition of India. Bharatnatyam is a dance of Tamil Nadu in southern India. Bharatnatyam is used to express Hindu religious stories and devotions. Second dance form is Kathak. Kathak, one of the main forms of classical dance drama of India. Kathak dance is originated from Uttar Pradesh in North India. During the whole dance, the dancers narrate stories through their eyes and expressions. Next dance form is Kathakali. Kathakali dance comes from southwestern India, Kerala. Like Bharatnatyam, Kathakali is a religious dance. Kathakali is a blend of dance, music, and acting and dramatized stories. Next dance form Odissi. Odissi, one of the principal classical dance styles of India. It is originated to Odisha, eastern India. It is a perfect example of great body movements and gestures. Dance form Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the major Indian classical dances. It originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Next dance form Manipuri. Manipuri is also known as Jagoi, is one of the major Indian classical dance forms. The main theme of this dance is Lord Krishna's Ras Leela, represent Lord Krishna's dance with his gopis. This dance comes from Manipur, northeastern India. Next dance form Garba. Garba comes from state Gujarat in India. This dance is performed by men and women in a circle around a clay lantern with a light inside. Garba is a dance that honors, worship, celebrate the feminine form of divinity. Next dance form Bhangra and Gidda, beauty of Punjab. Bhangra has a very energetic dance. Bhangra is generally performed during the Vaisakhi festival to celebrate harvest season. And Gidda is also popular folk dance of women in Punjab state in India. The dance is followed by clapping and traditional folk song. Next dance form Ghumar. Ghumar is traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It has gained a lot of fame and has been ranked as one of the world's best local dance. This dance is chiefly performed by women who wear flowing dresses called ghagra. Next dance form is Rauf. The Rauf is a folk dance which originated in the state of Kashmir in India. The dance is being performed by the woman in beautiful costume. This dance is simple footwork which is also called chakri in the local language. Next dance form Bihu. Bihu dance is a folk dance from the Indian state of Assam, related to the Bihu festival, and an important part of Assamese culture. These dance performed in a group. The traditional costume of dancer is colorful and centered around the red color theme, signify joy. Next dance form is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the famous classical dances of India and popular in Kerala. The dance is performed by women in honor of the Hindu god Vishnu in his incarnation as the Mohini. Next dance form is Satriya. Satriya is classical Indian dance that comes from eastern state of Assam. Satriya which combine dance and drama. The plays are usually performed in the dance community hall of monastery temples. The theme played are related to Lord Krishna, sometimes other Vishnu avatars such as Rama and Sita. Next dance form is Lavani. Lavani dance popular in Maharashtra, India. Lavani is a combination of traditional song and dance which particularly performed to the beats of dholki. This dance is performed by female performers wearing saris. Next dance form, Chhau. The Chhau dance is mainly performed during festivals in the region of Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Chhau dance is a semi-classical Indian dance with martial, tribal and folk tradition with origins in eastern India. Now we have learned the famous dance forms of India. Thank you for watching.